Ready?
Say
hi!
Hi!
Okay, sorry about that. He takes 5 seconds to say hi, which he should.
Hola! Hello! Hello, darling!
Okay, Dad, you ring the bell. Okay. Okay,
So I'll do that.
okay, so, Dad, seriously. You can make your room here, here, here. If you can have it out here if you want. I'll show you how to make it right. Bum bum. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger's by a toe. If the house let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. The one I choose is this. Okay. The first thing you will need is striped couches. Either optional, actually. You can use the. If you remember, I'm doing it now. Member female. Lucky Tisa. Okay. If you remember, you can do for the bed. Non-members and non-members can put together a little bedding. That's like your dog or whatever. You members can use curved sofas, pink sofa. You can use beds out of mats and pillows. You can use a bed for like bean bags. Striped couches are for non-members and members. There's other things that you can like earn. Oh, and obviously they gave the members a shamrock couch. New. Okay, anyways, I'm using striped couches. If you're crazy, you can put this there. That looks pretty. Then put this up. Now just put your coffee table. You can put your coffee table here or there. Anyways, coffee table, tiki. Whoa, what I just do? Dad! Oh my God, you're ruining it. Okay, my dad. Okay, sorry. I got a little off track there. Okay. So you can make a little desk right here, cycling can right here. You can do a trunk at the edge of your bed. And every bedroom needs a rug. Well, not every, but I like to use a rug some way or somehow. Some way, yeah. Okay. Are you trying to ruin this? Okay. Sorry about that very disturbing interruption. Anyways, the next thing you will need is bum 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 bum. Dad, her voice is annoying. Turn it down. I'm trying to record. I bet he feels the same way because I'm really talking here. But just add things to make it look nice. Like, if you're like me, always have a lamp in handy. And if you're a noob, or noobs and people can do this, but if you're just practically silly, put a rain cloud, snow cloud in your bed. There we go. Joke, I'm not gonna do that, but also some people make it look like it's snowing outside. This. That doesn't really work, but it could be. Another thing is you need these to put together. Add pillows and plushies if you want. Oh, why do I have that snow cloud now? I don't want snowing. You can use a flag as a TV if you're a non-member. And you can put a plushie on your bed if you want to make it look nice. You can do like a little bit darker of the color of your bed, unless it's black. So yeah. If you want to put something on this coffee table, I would suggest flowers, fruit bowl, anything basically little.